Start in down dog and walk it out. Getting those hamstrings ready, loosened up for the splits. Take a few more breaths. Down dog. Lift your right leg up, one-legged down dog, and just start working on stretching the left hamstring, opening the hip, bend the right knee. Take another deep breath. And the warmer you are before you attempt this, the better. So if you want to run before this, do some cardio, and then get into down dog, opening up the hip, making a circle, and then stepping that right foot through, lunge, pyramid pose. Just that real basic hamstring stretch. Trying to straighten the right knee, reaching the fingers forward, and then tap the left knee down. So we have low lunge into that left hip, hands on your right thigh, and that easy low lunge. Untuck your back toe and take a few breaths here, just putting a little pressure on the right thigh. If you can, take your arms up. Notice you can shift back a little bit and then try to shift forward. I like to move when I'm stretching. That really helps me to be more limber. Take another breath. And then slowly, that real easy half split. Straightening the right knee. Chest coming forward so you feel the big pull on the back of the leg, right behind the right knee. Half split, work here. And this might be where you stay, and that's fine. You may have to work on this for a few months. And trying to point that right toe, and then bend the right knee again. Keep working into the left hip. So you have to be really flexible through the left hip and the right hamstring. Left hand down, reach back, bend the left knee, try to grab your left foot, get the inside of the foot. If you have to get a towel, you could put a towel around your foot, but reach back, grab it, shift forward, and notice how far forward I am. I am not on my knee, I'm on my left thigh. That's protecting my knee and giving me that deep stretch on the left side that I need. Now shift back, set on your left foot, stretching the right hamstring even further, getting into the back, trying to bring the chest forward and trying to hug that right leg. And this might be enough. This might be as far as you go. But all of these postures are wonderful ways to prepare the body for the splits. Hold it here, a couple more. Breathe in, breathe out. Now shift forward. Bend that right knee one more time, getting ready, straightening that right knee. And now let's try. Just slide your right heel forward, slide the left foot back, and notice I tuck my left toes under and I shift forward and back. I'm hovering. I even like to bounce a little bit. I look back, make sure my left foot, left leg is directly behind. And then untuck the toes and see if you can just wiggle your way. And I also press my hands on that right femur bone and push it down. Usually you're just maybe an inch away. And if you'll train your muscles to relax, you just need a little push. Just that gentle push. And of course, you can always put a towel, a block beneath your right hamstring. If your hips are all the way down and there's no gaps, then take your arms up and try the full expression of the splits. Just try to find your edge here, holding that pose a little bit longer and taking that final bow forward. So you could be in any kind of half split, bowing forward, or you could be in the full splits. And take that deep breath and take a few more. Breathe in, let, breathe out, go. And then we'll walk our hands back, smiling, so excited. Roll over to your right, bend the right knee, and take that right foot back. Down dog. You gotta walk it out. That was a pretty deep stretch. It can be intense. Walk it out, shake it out. Keep the muscles light. And then let's try the left side. Left leg lift, one-legged down dog. And you must do both sides. There's always a side that's weaker or more inflexible. And that's okay. You just stay a little bit longer. Practice being patient. Practice being compassionate. And once you've opened up that left side, step your foot through, lunge. Straightening the left knee, pyramid. Trying to walk the hands forward. Hips nice and level. That right hip has to come down. Bend the left knee. And take your right knee down. Just that easy low lunge. Take your hands up to your left thigh. You could bend a little bit deeper or try to pull back some. Take a breath. Take your arms up, crescent. Keep breathing. Stay with it. Step by step. I mean, you'll get it. Do all the steps and you'll be amazed at how your body can open up and respond. Straightening the left knee, half split. Take a breath. Breathe into the back. Another breath. Bend the left knee. Go for that lunge. Reach back if you're ready. Reach back, grab your foot, and stretch that right quad. Keeping the chest open, grabbing the foot. Hold it there another moment. And notice I'm not on my knee, I'm forward on my right quad. Shifting back, lengthening, and then we'll set down on the right foot. Bring that chest forward and stretch that left hamstring gently one more time before we attempt the splits. And some days you just feel more flexible. Some days you're going to have to back off. But the important thing is to stretch daily. It's like brushing your teeth. If you stop brushing your teeth, what will happen? Your body's the same way. If you stop stretching, the body will become so tight and so rigid that you never ever want to stretch. Slide that left foot forward when you're ready. And you don't know until you try. So please always try. Slide that foot forward, rolling a little bit right to left. If you want to tuck that right toe under. I like to push my hands on that left thigh. Just a reminder to let go, to not have so many gaps, but to have the body on the mat. Press it down, push it down. Your arms could go up if you want to try that. Remember, it's okay to put some towels underneath the hamstrings. Find your edge wherever you are, some kind of half split or full split, and then take that bow, chest forward, and taking some time just to really let go and to breathe, to be still. And we're creating muscle memory. So I really believe anybody can be flexible. It's who takes the time, who makes it a habit. Rolling to the left side, bend that left knee gently, step it back, down dog. Oh, so much better now. So worth it. Take a few breaths, down dog, lengthening, gently coming down to the knees. Take a child's pose. Walk your hands back. Take another breath. Rolling up. Sweeping your arms up. Breathe in. Hands to your heart. Namaste. Thank you for taking time out for you. Stretch daily.